Hey Randall, this is a quick video showing you how to make some updates on your website. In our example, we're going to work on adding a product. First thing you need to do is to go to the TheSoccerShop.ca/WPAdmin. Username is Randall, password I've sent you, so then we hit login to get to the dashboard. This is the place where we can make changes. Our change that we're going to do is we're going to add a product. Come over to the left hand side, click add a product. Bunch of fields here that we have to fill in, and it doesn't matter which order you fill them in, just that you do. Now, your description probably would be a bit more detailed and creative than that one, but that'll work for now. Once we have the product title and we now have the description, we're going to pick the category. In this example, it's a jacket. As we move our way forward here, we're going to choose variable product type because this particular product has more than one size. So as we move our way forward one more step, we're going to set a featured image. If image shows up, we've done it right. There's a bunch of information we can put in here, like a SKU, but you have a PSO, so we're not going to use that, and weight and so forth. But again, that's not really of huge interest to us. What we have to do, we have to create an attribute. So an attribute is something that we would have options for. So our option is going to be size. Now, for this case, instead of like 7, 8, 9, 10, it's going to be maybe small, medium, large, extra large. Now, once we have that done, they're divided by these vertical lines, which works. We now go to publish. Once this is published, we can move over to variations, and what we end up doing off of this is we now start to add some product data. So maybe we say the default size when people look is going to be large, and we start to add variations. Those variations are, as you see, small, and this is where you put the price in for the jacket or whatever item it is we're looking at. And potentially there'd be a different SKU number and a sale price, but you can add that in as you go. And we just continue our way through this. So notice the small is in there. We have to repeat the same process now for each of the variations. So if we had 10 variations, this would be a 10-step process. So we'll quickly, hopefully, work our way through this. And once we're done, we can see how it looks on the site. I'm going to update this, making sure I got a quick review. We have a product title, we have a description, we have a category, we have an image. We can add more images if we wanted to, and then we have the actual product data information. Now to see if this worked out right, we'll jump over to the site, and you'll note that there's the jacket at the price that we set. We can look at the options, and our default is large, but you can choose any and then they get added to the cart. So I hope all that makes sense, and if you have any questions, certainly check with me.